Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Miss Jiang. Today we're going to make pineapple beef. This dish has a sweet and sour taste with tender, juicy beef. Let's start with prepare the pineapple. A fresh pineapple, cut off the head and the tail, cut it into half, then remove the skin. Take out the center core. Then slice into small pieces. Then soak the pineapple pieces into salty water for 10 minutes. The purpose of doing this is for helping remaining the vibrant color of the pineapple during the cooking process. At the same time, the salty water can help to soften the fiber of the pineapple to help achieving the tender texture of the pineapple. Drain off the salty water, rinse the pineapple under running water. Now, let's cut the beef. The cutting technique I'm showing today allows you to use any kind of beef and still achieve the tender texture of the beef after cooked. The key is a cutting against the beef grain, which will reduce the length of the fiber, make the beef easy to chew. In the meantime, will create a tender texture and shorten the marinating time. Let's marinate the beef. Add in dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, and cornstarch. Mix the beef and seasoning evenly. At the very last, add in a little bit of oil. The oil will create a coat on the marinated beef. Allow the seasoning to adhere on the beef. Mince 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Medium-high heat. Add in the garlic. Add in the marinated beef. Saute the beef 2 to 3 minutes until still see a little bit of pink. We don't want to overcook the meat. Overcooked will spoil the tender texture, make the meat hard to chew. Now add in the pineapple. Gently mix the beef with the pineapple. Add in the green onion, saute until the green onion is cooked. This dish appears with a vibrant color. It has sweet and sour taste with tender and juicy beef. If you are looking for an Asian tender beef recipe, you should give this recipe a try. You might just will love it. If you like the video I shared today, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. See you next time.